Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely 2-litre diesel Jaguar F-Pace R Sport with a lot of extras on it. Drives absolutely fantastic, looks excellent. So as you see, it's got a full black pack, so it should be chrome is black. Lovely upgraded gloss black alloy wheels, got the front park distance control. R Sport design badges are across it. So at the moment you don't see the side steps, they're electrical deployable. So as soon as I open the door, side steps will open. It's very rare on one of these, they only usually go on the Range Rover Sports, and they will disappear when I've shut the door. As you can see now, privacy glass to the rear. Nice finishing touch, got the front and rear mud flaps, rear park distance control. It's a 2-litre diesel all-wheel drive. It's got a tow bar. We know how expensive they are these days. We can leave that on or we can take it off, depending on your choice. Already been used, and as you can see, boot area is in lovely condition, and you've got the rear parcel shelf. The electrically operated boot, as you can see. I'm just going to show you all around the rest of the car. I'm really struggling to find any marks on it. It really is in fantastic condition. So just to show you inside, really is a lovely contrasting dual tone black red leather interior. Got the panoramic, full panoramic roof. It does have a cover, electrically operated. As you can see, the seats, everything's in lovely condition. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, nowhere on the bolsters or anything like that. Electric steering column, got lane assist, you can open your boot from there as well. It's done 87,479 miles. Paddle shift on the gearbox, start the car up. Got satellite navigation, heated seats, 3 stages, different driving modes. Let's turn these off. So you've got your eco, very nice snow, normal, dynamic. Dynamic sets everything off red around the rev counter. Nice little touch. Go back to your home page. Climate control, full media pack.
And it's M25.
DAB radio, all your different sources. Really is in lovely condition. So we've got USB and aux there, sat nav disc there, climate control. As you can see, there's nowhere. Love the red stitch piping as well around here. Cruise control as well. Power shift on the gearbox, don't know whether I mentioned that. Full computer. So this isn't going to hang around for long with this price range. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.